15 celebrity best friends who can't imagine their lives without each other. Despite winning countless prestigious awards, some Hollywood celebrities take pride in receiving the best gift of all, a true friendship. From Scarlett Johansson to Johnny Depp, these famous personalities were lucky enough to find their soulmates in a sea of people and have been friends with them for decades and counting. Amazing Global Facts have picked 15 pair of celebrities' best friends who can't imagine their lives without each other. Scarlett Johansson and Chris Evans. According to Johansson, the unbreakable chemistry between her and Evans on screen is due to the fact that they have been friends for over 10 years, and he agrees. They first met on the set of The Perfect Score and found such comfort in each other's company, they couldn't help but become best. Cameron Diaz and Drew Barrymore. The Charlie's Angels stars actually met when the Barrymore used to work as a waitress and served coffee to Diaz, who was a model at the time. Since then, they have had each other's back all these years. In an interview, Barrymore revealed that Diaz is much more than a best friend to her. She is her sister. Tina Fey and Amy Poehler. These comedians have been best friends for more than 2 decades. They met in 1993 and bonded over a script Faye had written. The friendship bloomed and the actors now share a mutual love for each other. Tom Cruise and Will Smith. Cruise and Smith, undoubtedly two of the biggest stars in Hollywood, are actually pretty good friends. Actors Will Smith and Tom Cruise have long held a Hollywood bromance, though they have never collaborated on a film together. Smith spoke highly of his friend in 2007 to SS Hollywood. When I sit and talk with Tom Cruise, he's one of the greatest spirits that I've ever met, someone who is committed to making the world better. Selena Gomez and David Henry. The Wizards of Waverly Place co-stars have stayed the best friends since 2007. According to Henry, Gomez will always be his little sister. Tom Hiddleston and Benedict Cumberbatch. After having first met on the set of the film War Horse, these British lads have been friends since 2010. They are adorably obsessed with each other and never hold back from showing each other with compliments. Julia Roberts and George Clooney. From pulling pranks on each other to Clooney taking care of Roberts during her pregnancy, this powerful celebrity bond has existed for 20 years and is still going strong. Jared Padalecki and Jensen Ackles. In the 15 years of filming Supernatural together, Padalecki and Ackles have become so close. They can't imagine being apart. They enjoy each other on set, pranking each other, and off set, they like meeting up for barbecues and family outing. Ashley Tisdale and Vanessa Hudgens. Before High School Musical, Tisdale and Hudgens met on a set for a commercial, and the rest is history. According to Hudgens, the pair has gone from shopping and touring the world together to now helping each other innovate their assets. Naomi Watts and Nicole Kidman. Watts and Kidman have known each other for more than 3 decades. But according to Watts, their friendship bloomed in 1991. Since then, from breakups to being each other's date to Oscars, this duo has never left each other's side. Marilyn Manson and Johnny Depp. Their surprisingly friendship between the goth rocker and the Pirates of Caribbean star actually goes back to 1999. They have matching back tattoos and often supported spoiling each other with love. Oprah and Maria Shriver. The O of O met Maria Shriver over 30 years ago in 1978 while working on a show called People Are Talking in Baltimore. In 2018, Oprah tweeted this about her lifelong friend. Maria has been my friend since we were both young reporters in Baltimore. Her wisdom and open heart is what the people needs more of right now. Spike Lee and Samuel L. Jackson. If you were confused when Samuel L. Jackson gave Spike Lee a huge bear hug at the 2019 Academy Awards, allow us to clarify. Not only has Jackson starred in many of the Lee's films, including School Days and Do the Right Things, but he has also attended Morehouse College in Atlanta with Lee. Julia Roberts and George Clooney. Ever since they starred as thieves in Ocean's 11 together in 2001, Julia Roberts and George Clooney have maintained a tight-knit friendship. What a relief we are not Hollywood friends, Robert told People. I just said to him an hour ago, thank God we really do like each other or we'd be in hell. Matt Damon and Ben Affleck. This duo met when Damon was 10 and Affleck was 8-year-old. Growing up, they were each other's roommates and partners in crime. They have appeared in a lot of movies together and have won awards while cheering each other on. So which one was your favorite? Comment down below.